Today is such a nice, relaxing day. The sun is shining, the egg is right beside me. I don't know what can ruin this beautiful day. I just had to say that.
Hey, Red, what you doing?
I'm watching the egg. What do you think I'm doing? You're just standing there. I'm not standing there, Chuck. We just discussed this like a million zillion times.
See, look, the reason why I come here is because I am bored.
Oh yeah? You're bored?
Yes. Well, bother somebody else.
Alright, if you say so. Man, why does Chuck always gotta annoy me like this?
Okay, Jim, do you see Red? Yes, Jay, he's right over there watching the egg. Oh, yes, this is perfect. Now, here's what we're gonna do. When we go past Red, we're gonna trap him inside this thing that we found in South Beach. Yes, perfect. And guess what? What? It smells like cinnamon. Oh, yes, now that's even better. Yep, I know it is. So, let's go do it right now. Wait, no. We gotta wait for the perfect time. We gotta wait for the timing. How long is that gonna take? I don't know. Let's just wait.
You know I can hear you guys!
Shut up, Red! Guys, he knows. No, he doesn't. But let's try it anyways. Yeah, come on, let's do it.
So what were you guys talking about over there?
We weren't talking about nothing.
You guys were clearly talking about something. You think I'm stupid?
No.
Good, so you better tell me what you guys were talking about.
We were talking about how cool of a leader you are.
Oh, well, I am a pretty good leader.
Well, yeah, you stopped us from... You protect the egg, you defeat King Pig. Yeah, and, we got you a prize inside here.
Oh, a prize? I love prizes. Wait, where's the prize?
Just look closer in it. All right, now! Come on, guys, look! Look at it! Man, that's pure genius! Oh my gosh, that was awesome! Let's go prank some more people! Oh yeah! Okay guys, Bomb is sleeping on the swing shot. Here's what we're gonna do. When we scare Bomb, he's gonna go flying and he's gonna blow up everybody! Oh yeah, that's sick! Yeah, let's do it! Alright. Get that air horn. Okay, I got the air horn. Oh yes, that's perfect. Okay, on the count of 3, we're gonna scare him. 1, 2, 3. Bomb, wake up!
We will fight!
Man, that was funny.
Oh my god, did the Blues actually did that to you?
That's crazy. Why would they do that?
Yeah, I know. They pranked me way too far. Do you know what? I think I'm gonna stop them from pranking us. Wait a minute, what is that noise? Oh no, it's Bomb! Guys! Oh my gosh, the pain, oh god, oh I feel the worst.
Oh my goodness, you should have seen the look on your faces. Yeah, when Bob screamed on you, you guys like, ah! And then you guys feel the pain. It was a prank, though.
You guys did that?
Yeah.
Why did you do it?
Because it was funny.
Ah, Chuck, get off me! Funny. You think swinging bomb, him blowing it up and almost killing us is funny?
Yeah, it's funny. Oh, come on, Terrence, it wasn't that bad. Hey, you just knocked out one of our... Never mind.
You know what, Blues? I'm gonna tell Matilda to punish you.
I'm right here, Red.
Oh, then punish him.
Matilda, we're sorry. Sorry's not gonna fix it. You know what? You guys are grounded for a month. A month? What are we gonna do in a month? For your punishment? No pranking. Okay, that's not so bad. For a week. For a week? Oh, come on, that's like 7 days. I'm not gonna make it in 7 days. And plus, we're gonna be grounded for a month, so we're gonna still be pranking when the week is over. You're not gonna prank for a month. How about that? Oh, come on! Matilda, you can't do this to us.
Oh, yeah, she can.
Yeah, what Brad said. So if I see you guys do one single prank, you're never gonna prank for the entire year. You got it? Yes, ma'am. Good. Now come on, let's go. Stupid Matilda, stupid Red, stupid Hal, stupid Bob, stupid everybody. Come on, guys, let's go do something else.
Oh, guys, you're here. Thank goodness you're here. I got some great news to tell you. What is it? Matilda grounded the Blues, and they can't prank for a whole month. I'm sorry, can you repeat that? Matilda grounded the Blues, and they cannot do punishment. They can't do pranks for a month. Yay! Finally! Let's celebrate! Wait, no, we're not celebrating yet. Now that the Blues can't prank us anymore, we can finally steal the eggs in peace. There's only one egg. Because you ate the rest of them. Oh, yeah. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, watch the plot episode. So, yeah, we're gonna steal the egg and eat it, and we can find more eggs.
There's not gonna be any more eggs on the island!
Yes, there is. You don't know that. Can't pick yourself stupid.
I'm not stupid, you're stupid!
Man, we need a new king.
I wish King Mudbeard was still alive.
Whatever, let's just go get the eggs. Egg! Whatever. You know what? Since you guys are just judging me, I know who to steal the eggs from me. Ross! Yes, King Pig? Yes, Ross, my perfect minion. I need you to steal the egg.
Why do I have to do it?
Because you're my perfect worker. Good point. I'm gonna go.
Oh man, I'm so bored today. I got nothing to do. Yeah, me too. Me three. Oh, hey guys, what's up? Oh, hi, Bubbles. We're just... Matilda grounded us for a month and we can't prank for a month. What? You guys can't prank for a month? That's not fair. What do you mean? Because you guys love pranking, right? Yes, we love pranking, but we can't do it. You know what? Screw Matilda! You guys can continue pranking! But if we prank one more time... But if we do one prank, she's gonna ground us. She said we're not gonna prank for a whole year! Oh wow, that must suck! Yeah, it does! Well, I don't know what to tell you, but, you guys good luck with that!
So, Blues,
since you're grounded for a month and you cannot prank for a month, you're gonna be watching the egg. I don't want to watch the egg. It's boring. See, he fell over because of boredom. Too bad, so sad. I don't give a tootin' mighty eagle heck. You're gonna be watching the egg, and that's final. Yes, ma'am. Good. You better let the egg get stolen. My goodness, fine. We're not gonna let the egg get stolen. Jay? Yes, Jake? Do you realize this feeling that we're being watched? No. Wait, what was that? Huh?
Yes, I got the.
Oh no! Ross took the egg! We gotta go stop him! Come on!
You never get me, Blues.
We can't catch up to him. You know what? We're gonna have to prank him. But we're not gonna prank for a whole year if we do it. What's more important, not be able to prank anymore, or getting the egg back? Yeah, okay, let's do this.
Yes, I finally made it to Kingpin's castle. And what the?
Oh, hey. Let me hold the egg and I'll give it to King Pig.
You give it to King Pig?
Yeah, just let me get it to him.
All right then.
Oh, why, thank you very much. You pesky fool.
What?
Why'd you call me a fool?
Oh no! I've been pranked.
Wait a minute! You weren't supposed to prank for a week!
Well, that's what we do best. Who cares if Matilda says we're never gonna prank for a whole year? That's what we do best. Yeah, you tell him. Now, guys, let's go home. Man, guys, I'm so glad that we go back home. Yeah, after we pranked that one minion pig. Excuse me, what? Oh, Matilda, you heard all that. Yep. So you know what I have to do now? You're gonna make us. We're not gonna be pranking for a whole year? No. I decided to unground you guys because you saved the egg and you pranked the pig, and that's good. Oh, really? Yeah. So you guys can go back pranking. Okay. Yeah!